when it's cold outside.
Yes, people. All right, so we've come to that sort of time in the summer where the weather is somewhat unpredictable.
Pants.
Borderline cliche. All right, so let me set the scene for you. So you come into London and for the entire time of your stay, it is raining. All right, so if you've watched a lot of our videos, you understand that we showcase a lot of things that to do outside. So for the very first time, we're going to showcase some of the best things to do inside to escape the rain in London. Inside.
So normally what people do when they're in London, they'd go to a coffee shop to escape the rain. But TMA, we're built different, we do different. So for today's video, what we are going to be doing is showing you guys where to go in London to escape the rain.
But before we get into that, guys, don't forget to like,
Subscribe,
comment,
and smash that notification bell so you guys know when the next video uploads.
and comment down below on our video to showcase some of the other ideas that you want to see, and hopefully we'll make that happen. You know what time it is. Let's go.
I've done this take 100 times. Run it up, big man, run it up!
I'm perfectly happy. This time, we're in Athens, Greece, and you will get a view like no other.
This is one of my favorite things.
Here we are. Shaq's natural habitat. Alright, so first up on our list of things that you can do indoor when it is raining, is God's Own Junkyard. Alright, so for those of you who've seen our videos for a while, God's Own Junkyard is something that we've mentioned in the past, but we decided it is worth a secondary mention. Why? Because it is something amazing for all you art fanatics or someone who love an amazing Instagram photo. So the nearest station to get there is Wood Street Station. It's about 10 minutes from there. So definitely don't miss that place.
Guys, this next place that we are going to show you is called Wan Yu. It's a gaming studio place in Stratford, Westfield, and this is for all the people who love gaming or people within their 20s to younger who just want to go out and just do something new, because you don't get this anywhere else really. So definitely go check this place out. It's for all you nerds, gamers, me especially. Definitely me. Yeah. So yeah, go check this place out.
That is sick, bro.
Oh my god. I mean, what can I say, bro? Like, this is me in my element right now. You got the tactile keyboards, mechanical keyboards, everything RGB. Well, I'm about to jump into play some Warzone. Yeah, no, this is gonna be a mad session. Me and Vi are gonna both play Warzone. We're gonna be vibing. Not in that way, but yeah.
No homos,
Yeah,
fine.
no
fine.
homo.
So this is the home screen, yeah. So here you can. This is like the popular menu, and then here, if you can see that. Hello, hello, hello. Right, here is the service button, so you can press it so someone actually comes in and gives you any drink that you need. Here is the most popular games. You can download games as well, and here is your nice little headphone, and it's all secluded in your private room for 1 hour for £6. Anything else you want to say?
Let's get right into it.
Alright, so this next location is one that you can only do in London and nowhere else. It's the Tower Bridge Experience. Tickets are £10.60 per person, and it usually takes about an hour and a half, depending on how fast and how slow. There's absolutely no rush. Why this particular place? Easy. You can only do in London and nowhere else. I know we love to try and find undercover things to do in London, not the typical touristy kind of stuff, but this particular one, it is touristy, but every once in a while you have to delve into it. The nearest station is London Bridge. It's about 5-10 minute walk away from there, so don't miss this place. Check it out.
Okay, so about Tower Bridge.
Yes.
There's 1 billion and we have to climb all of them. Woo! All of us sweating.
This is a legit cardio workout.
Whose idea was this again?
Huh?
Whose idea was this again? I think it was man like V-Hide.
V-Hide. You got a V-Hide in here? Okay.
Anybody see a Moham?
Moham right here. Shaquan.
Shaquillin.
Hey, that's me, man. Just
It's by duct tape. Very strong. Oh. Oh. Nah, Dubai frame was scarier though.
yeah,
It's even
way
higher.
tight, way tight. Whoa.
Nah, you think it weird.
Oh.
That's it. How many more stairs? How many more stairs? So many stairs. Mention what it says. Stairs.
Is it on?
Is it working?
Can you hear me?
Alright guys, so for this next spot here, we're going to be showing you guys the latest stadium in London, which is the Tottenham Stadium. Even though
He's an
I'm an Arsenal fan, yes, I'm committing a sin right now. So Arsenal fans, please don't slate me in the comment section. I'm just going to check out the stadium,
Right
okay? On site. But yeah, about the process in terms of booking, it's about £26, and you've got to obviously book a time slot in advance. But yeah, that's in terms of the booking.
Yeah,
What else can you say?
And then in terms of the capacity, I think it's about 62,000 people that I can actually fit in that stadium. Obviously not now because of COVID. So apart from football, English football, they're also famous for hosting American football. NFL, surprisingly, is getting bigger and bigger in the UK. So that's something I definitely want to go check out. The tour itself is about an hour to hour and a half long. Nearest station is White Hart Lane, not Tottenham Hale, White Hart Lane. So it's not literally opposite it. So definitely go to this place and
Check it out.
check it out.
Okay, so Jose Mourinho. So how did you feel forward going with the match today against Arsenal?
He's got a French accent, isn't it?
He's not French. He's Portuguese. Don't know.
I believe it's everyone else's fault. It's not my fault. And we could have played a lot better, but you know,
You make him sound like Mr. Coffee.
I make him sound like Arsene Wenger, don't I?
You actually do,
My
yeah.
name is Arsene, and so you know, I tell the players what to do, and they don't do it. And at the end of the day, it's just we're in a position that we're in the relegation zone, and yes, because of this of an Arsenal fan coming into a Tottenham, we don't know what to do. So, goodbye. All right, Mo, tell us how the match went. What's your opinions?
If I speak, I'm in trouble. Today players, they play okay. I cannot say anything. The away team, they play. The home team, they play. I cannot say anything else. Bring me that Coca-Cola.
Alright, so to cap off this rainy day in London, we've decided to recommend Drought's Board Game Cafe. Alright, so this one, they have two locations, one in Waterloo, inside Leek Street Arches, and one in Hackney, based in Dalston, Kingsland. Now, why this particular place? You tell me.
Well, first of all, it's a board games cafe, so you can go there whether it's by yourself or whether it's with friends. Go inside, play some new games. I think the admission is about £6. And as well as that, because the Euros are happening now, you can go there and watch the Euros as well.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And also, I'm very, very intrigued to try out a vegan fish and chips. That is kind of what was the appealing factor for me. So definitely go to this place and check it out. Alright guys, so hopefully you've enjoyed some of our recommendations to escape a rainy day in London and showed you some of the things that you can do inside and just have... Oh god, no. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so hopefully you've enjoyed some of our recommendations to escape a rainy day outside in London and enjoy some of the things to do inside.
As always, don't forget to like,
Subscribe,
comment,
and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos.
and comment down below and let us know what other videos you want us to do. And give us a recommendation underneath if we've missed any to avoid the rain. Let us know down there.
3 Man Abroad out.
And peace!